I'm Michael Ayonte, presenting this in the building construction crew. This is the roof leader. As you can see, yan. Ito, extended sa roofing, kaya lang, walang roof leader. Ay, roof gutter. Panggarahe lang. Then, ito yung yung sa tubo, PVC, na sa roof leader, sa roof gutter, tapos sa roof leader. Yan. Tapos walang splash pan. Yung splash pan, direkta dun sa drainage. Tapos ito yung street gutter. Yan. Street gutter.